Hello, my name is Adam Shelton, Achieving with Adam, and I want to show you how you can make $480 in 10 days. That's right. That's how much money I've made in the month of February. 10 days, $480, and I want to show you how you can do it as well. So let's go ahead and check it out because I want to make you some money as well. So this system, the PowerLead system, is the reason why I was able to make $480 as well. Now, when you sign up, I'll have a link at the bottom of this video of a 7-day free trial of how you can sign up to make money off PowerLead system. Now, this system is very easy to understand because they have excellent training and tutorials of how you can make money online. So right here, when you first sign up, you will be a gold member. Now, this video here is called the comp plan. The comp plan will break it down of how much you can make in a day, a week, a month, and in terms of income you can make. I know certain people who make a full-time income off this. And just in 10 days, I made $480. If you fast forward 10 more days, that could be about $1,000 in 20 days. How does that sound to you? So this comp plan is awesome. I'll play a little bit of the video for you to get a good understanding of exactly how it works. So the PowerLead system is very powerful, and you can do this while you work at a job or the extra income if you own extra businesses. So let me go ahead and show you my back office that has the sales that I already have. Now the count and prediction report, and let me go at the bottom here, and bam, $480 I've made so far online. So the PowerLead system, just think about it. Extra $480, $1,000, $2,000 in just a month. And yes, you can do that as well. So I want you to click on the link below to get started. A 7-day free trial to check the system out. I show you some of my sales and my actually income that I've made online, and you can do it as well. So click on the link below and I'll see you on the inside because I want you to get paid today.